Over the past 19 years, xBhp has relentlessly promoted safe riding and has seen motorcycling evolve many folds. Promoting the safe riding philosophy, we have even launched our own range of helmets with exhaust. Motorcycles used to be just a mode of transport, but now it is more than that. It is a lifestyle, a brotherhood, where many have made and still are making friends for life. It is true that friends look out for each other and are concerned for a friend's safety. And we believe bikers' true friends are the helmet and the riding gears that looks out for them, especially in the hard times. That is what true friends are for, isn't it? So, to that friendship, to that bond.
Happy Friendship Day, bro.
हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे. सिर्फ विश, ग्रीटिंग कार्ड नहीं देगा ब्रो? दैट मग BFF वो तो बनता है. अच्छा, कम से कम फ्रेंडशिप बैंड तो दे दे यार.
वो मैं दे सकता हूँ. Happy Friendship Day once again. Ride safe, bro.
दोस्त की उम्र लंबी तो दोस्ती की भी. Happy Friendship Day from CEAT and Royal Enfield. CEAT, it helps.